The good news is summer is here and it's time to travel.
But the bad news is gas prices are higher than they've been in the last 4 years.
But we've got 3 gas price apps that will help you save money as you go RVing this summer. They say that we really can't expect much relief in those rising gas prices. That's supposed to continue pretty much all summer long. So now is a good time for us to share with you the 3 apps that we use the most when we're traveling to save money on fuel.
None are perfect, but they really do help us manage fuel costs. Gas Buddy is our first go-to app when looking for the lowest prices. It is easy to use and navigate. Simply search by zip code, city, or state. The huge number of users contribute by updating prices regularly, meaning the app is almost always up to date.
And one unique feature of Gas Buddy is its so-called gas price heat map that shows gas price per gallon across the U.S. and Canada. The app is free for iOS and Android.
Gas Guru is another favorite. I like its simple interface with big buttons in large font that are easy to read. Gas prices and stations can be sorted by various ways too, by company, type of gas, types of payment accepted, restrooms, ATM availability, service stations, and more.
A favorite feature of Gas Guru is the ability to get directions to a particular station, and that has helped us a lot. The app is free for iOS and Android.
iExit Gas is a good fit for those traveling the interstates. It will help you find stations near exits that you are approaching, including how far they are from your current location.
iExit Gas lets you locate gas stations by name, available fuel type, and that helps me make sure that diesel is available at the next exit. It also provides a map of each exit, and that makes it easy to navigate in an unknown area. They charge for that app, though, 99 cents for iOS only.
Okay, short and sweet. Those are the 3 that we use, but if I could only have one, I would have Gas Buddy.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's the most accurate, and most importantly, it's the most up-to-date. It's sometimes updated almost hourly. But a close second for me is that iExit Gas. I think that's a pretty handy one on the interstates, even though that one is the only one of those 3 apps that they charge you money for. Hey, we hope this helps you enjoy your travels and save a little bit of money this summer. Please do us a big favor and subscribe to our RV Lifestyle channel. Just click that little button down at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. We're Mike and Jennifer Wendland. We want to thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.